In this video, we're going to look at how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is given to you in the front of a GCSE paper, and it looks like this. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And I must admit, it does look quite scary. However, if we break it down, it's not too bad at all. The first thing to do is identify what A, B, and C are. In this case, A is the coefficient or the number in front of the x squared, which is 2. B is the coefficient of the x, or the number in front of the x, and is 6. C is the constant on the end. Now be careful on this one, because this number is minus 95 and not just 95. Given that, we take our calculator. First of all, I'm going to create a fraction. This formula comes in the form of a fraction, so it makes sense to carry on. Now, I'm not going to use the multiply sign at all. As with any algebraic expression, putting it into a calculator, use brackets instead. It's far more effective. So, negative b. Note, I'm going to put all of b inside a bracket. b is 6. Close bracket. Plus, I can't do plus and minus, but I can do the sum twice, which will give me the both solutions. Plus the square root. Again, b in brackets. Note it is only the number in the bracket. b squared. Take away 4. Now a is 2. And c is minus 95. Now it's really important that it's minus 95, otherwise you're going to try and take the square root of a negative number. That all has to be divided by 2 lots of a. I press equals. It gives me my answer in a surd form. Now if we read the question, it wants my answer to 3 significant figures. So I have to press the SD button, and this will put it into that form for me. And my first solution is 5.55. Now, to get the second solution, I have to change this sign to a negative in front of the square root. So I can use my cursor buttons. Just using the blue circle. And rather than type it all in again, I could just change that to a minus. Again, pressing the SD. And my answer is minus 8.55. I think that's a pretty gettable 3 marks on an exam. Good luck.